Hey guys, I told you I would create at least 3 marriage-based adjustment of status videos this week since those are the cases I like the most and I represent a lot of these cases. And so this is the 3rd video on this topic. So today we're going to talk about how soon after you marry should you file the adjustment of status application. This will be a quick one, I promise. So I get this question all the time, like, hey, we're gonna get married, how long do we need to wait so that it doesn't look suspicious before I file the adjustment of status application? And the answer is, it doesn't really matter. Once you get married, you can immediately file the adjustment of status application. In fact, I have many cases currently pending where everything is ready to go and be submitted to USCIS, and we're just waiting for the marriage certificate to be issued by the town because they got married a week ago and it takes a few days for the municipality to issue the marriage certificate. And as soon as we get that, we're gonna finalize it and mail everything off to USCIS. So you don't need to wait after you get married to file the adjustment of status application. What matters way more is how long you've known each other and been in a relationship before you file the adjustment of status application. If you've only known each other for 3 months, let's say your immigrant spouse entered on a tourist visa 6 months ago, you met 3 months ago, you got married today, and now you're asking me how long should you wait? I would say wait until you have some evidence that you've been together. I mean, you guys have only been married and you've only known each other for 3 months and you've been married for 1 day. That's a pretty short amount of time, I mean, in my opinion, and probably in the opinion of most USCIS officers. So I would wait at least a few more months, establish that you're living together, get some evidence to establish that you're in a good faith marriage. And once you have enough evidence, then I would feel comfortable submitting the adjustment of status application. It's case specific, you know, like you have to weigh the risks of the Trump administration beginning your deportation versus the possibility of your green card application down the road getting denied or getting sent for a fraud interview, which is very hostile and aggressive, and you don't want to be in that situation. So if we can avoid anything that looks like fraud by saving more evidence and creating a better record that you're in a good faith marriage, I would way rather do that. Wait the extra few months now, save the documents, and create a stronger case. And waiting those 3 months now might save you like 2 years and thousands of dollars in legal fees down the road. So just to summarize, it doesn't really matter how long after you get married you file the adjustment of status. What matters is how long you've known each other and how much evidence there is of your good faith marriage before we file the adjustment of status application. All right, guys, I promised it would be a short one, so there it is. If you're interested in more family-based immigration information, naturalization information, and just updates on Trump's immigration policies, be sure to subscribe. If you personally need any assistance with any immigration matter, my personal information is in the video description below. I would love to consult with you, and I'll see you guys next time for another video.